The cute 5-year-old was photographed looking dapper in a smart little suit, after bagging a starring role with Princess Charlotte for the royal wedding, in Windsor today. He joined fellow page boy Louis de Givenchy, the 6-year-old son of J.P. Morgan banking executive Olivier de Givenchy, and his wife Zoe. Prince George was seen laughing with his cousin Savannah Phillips. The duo made for a boisterous pair earlier this year, at Trooping the Colour, laughing and waving at the crowds. And it appeared George was in a playful mood today as he laughed with Savannah, who was pretending to play music. Joining Charlotte as bridesmaids was none other than Robbie Williams' daughter Theodora, known as Teddy, who looked angelic. The two were part of an army of bridesmaids consisting of Savannah, 7, and Isla Phillips, 6, the daughters of Autumn and Peter Phillips, Zara and Mike Tyndall's daughter Mia, 4, and Eugenie's goddaughter Maud Windsor, the daughter of Lord Frederick Windsor. The Queen's youngest grandchildren, 14-year-old Lady Louise Mountbatten Windsor, and 10-year-old James, Viscount Severn, who are the children of the Earl and Countess of Wessex, are taking on the roles of special attendants today. They have been tasked with keeping the younger bridesmaids and page boys in line, along with Prince George and Princess Charlotte's nanny Maria Ballarallo. Today marks the third time this year Prince George has been a page boy. He was page boy for his uncle Prince Harry and Meghan Markle, and his mother's best friend Sophie Carter. Savannah, Isla and Mia have a reputation for being mischievous, and are regularly seen horsing around together. And the girls were all smiles as they arrived at the chapel in Windsor, for Princess Eugenie and Jack Brooksbank's wedding.